I just returned from the Toyota dealership to get my cracked driver's side seat trim repaired, but something happened that I didn't expect. Now, before I get to that, to its credit, Toyota is acknowledging that they do have a problem with their driver's side seat trim and they are repairing them under warranty at no cost. And of course, this is something that's really expensive for Toyota to do, but it's obviously the right thing to do because there are so many reports of cracked seat trim and it's pretty clear that they have a design flaw that needs to be corrected. So they ordered my part and they made an appointment with me, and that appointment was today. And as always, the Toyota service staff was incredible. They communicated well. They did everything they could to make me comfortable. They even offered me a granola bar, which I accepted. But anyway, I asked the guys, would it be okay if I had a look at the old part when they removed it alongside the new part? I wanted to know, was the new part somehow redesigned or reinforced to make it more resistant to cracking in the future? And true to form, the Toyota guys made that happen. And I know this was a bit of a hassle for them. And so I tried not to be too much of a pain about it, but I told them that I wanted to make a little video about this part and they said, no problem. So here's what we saw. Here is the old part and the new part side by side. First, we noticed that the part number stamps are the same. Of course, a new model might have the same part number as the old one, but I'd honestly expect that they'd differentiate it with a suffix or some other designation to differentiate it from the original one. Then I picked up the old piece and the new piece and tried to feel if the new piece had a softer, more flexible material that they used, or perhaps even a stiffer, more durable plastic compared to the old one. And I'm no expert, but in my subjective opinion, there was no difference. And finally, we laid them side by side to look for any kind of design differences, and they look identical. So I really appreciate that Toyota is standing behind their vehicle, and I also appreciate the Toyota service guys who took care of my vehicle. But I was really surprised that this piece that's causing so many problems for owners and so much money for Toyota hasn't been upgraded to prevent this problem in the future. But I'm curious, have any of you had your seat trim crack again after being replaced? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.